Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to edit a pivot table. So in order for you to edit a pivot table, you are going to click on Pivot Table Analysis tab, and in the Pivot Table group you are going to click on the drop down arrow, and if you click on the drop down arrow you are going to see the option. You click on options and this dialog box will appear. Now it is possible for you to actually provide a name for your pivot table. So I am going to give the name ExcelXam. And if that is done, I am going to click on OK, right? Now it is also possible for you guys to actually remove the subtotal rows from your pivot table, and in order to do that, you go at the level of the design tab. You're going to see the subtotal. You click on the drop down arrow and then you click on do not show subtotals. Okay, now if that is done, you can also determine, or you can also remove the cells that calculate each row's grand total. And for that, you are going to still click on the design tab, and in the grand totals group, you are going to see there on for columns only. This is only if your values are at the level of the column rows. Okay, so if it is at the level of the rows, you are going to click on for rows only, right? So since we are going to put it at the level of the columns, we are going to click on for columns only. Good. So if that is done, you select the different values, or you select the different parts of your table. So we are going to put the towns at the level of the rows. So now it's better for us to put at the level of the columns. Good. So for us to have a good view, and then for the months, we are going to put it at the level of the rows. Okay, and for the years, we are going to put it at the level of the filters, and our values would be the dates. Good. So this is actually a presentable table, showing having as edited, or as we edited some few minutes ago. So we can actually have the grand total, and we saw that we can not have the subtotal because we have deleted that particular part. So this is how we can edit the pivot table. Now it is also possible for us to summarize values. So we are going to come back. Okay, so we are going to come back. Good. So since we are at this level, we are going to summarize, know how to summarize some values. Now for us to do that, we are going to right click any data cell in the pivot table, and then we click on the value field setting. Good. So let's try to right click. Okay, so let's find out for the value setting. don't understand why it's like that. Okay, so let's try to find out whether you can find it in the pivot table group or the pivot table analysis. Okay, so let's see whether we can have it. Okay, good. So anyways, we are going to have it next time. So I hope you guys love the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe and share on our YouTube channel, ExcelXam. So thank you and bye bye.